Lean away. Yeah.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not. It's fun. Have you ever been to a chiropractor?
Once before.
And how long ago was that?
Like 5 years ago. And they sucked. They didn't do a whole lot.
Okay. I know you said you were nervous about the pops and the cracks.
No, I'm nervous about, like, dying.
Do you pop your own neck?
Yeah.
So it's the same kind of thing, only you're having somebody else do it.
Mm-hmm.
And the way
And
that
deeper, I'm sure.
It is deeper. It's different.
Yeah.
It's different. It's a different direction.
Uh-huh.
Because when you're doing, our hands work really well this way.
Uh-huh.
They don't really work well from back here.
Yeah. I do trust you. That's why I'm here.
Okay. I'm just letting you know.
Yeah.
I don't know if it makes it feel better or not, but
you look like a good time. Like, that's why I'm here. So I have full trust in you.
So go ahead and tell me then what you're feeling then.
There's very few ab exercises that I can do that I like actually feel it in my core. 9 times out of 10 I'm feeling it in my hip flexors. So like this is one of the only ones that I can do where I feel it in my core. So like if I were to go like this ab exercise, 1, my knee's popping, and 2, this is all hip flexors. I actually think it's because I started to do at one point sumo movements, like sumo deadlifts and sumo squats, but that's the only thing that I could think of.
Let me check something sideways towards me. Yeah, let me see. It's not enough for me to go, oh, she's just really hyper.
Yeah, no, not
down there.
Wait, like this feels like it should be where I'm at, but instead I'm like this.
That's okay where you are.
And I feel
you feel the pressure there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See, when I see somebody draw those 2 little circles, it's usually a dysfunction back here.
Mm-hmm. And this is probably my worst problem. Like the past, I feel like ever since I turned 25, I'm like, I'm old now, but this is since September. Constantly, if I were to lay down flat, I would have to do like the around the world to get up, you know, like no, I couldn't just go forward, my back would be
like go on your stomach and just push up for me.
Like that. No,
do you feel extreme pressure down in here?
No, this feels pretty normal.
Okay.
And actually it wouldn't start to hurt until I stood up. I came down from the back bend and I couldn't walk, I couldn't stand up, I lost feeling in my legs for a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Okay. So definitely we need to probably get a set of x-rays down in there. Yeah. It's nothing life-threatening, don't worry. It's just you have to rule out a few things so that you know that you have it, so that you don't do certain things to make it worse.
And you know how you do the
uh-huh.
sideways ones on people? Like I look at that and I'm like, that looks like it would hurt me.
If it hurts on the setup, we don't do it.
Okay.
If you feel like, oh, she put it like this into this position, I'll click.
Yeah, okay.
It's going to feel more like that than me trying to get it to crack because I'm twisting you.
Right. It's like I would do that more than you would. Yeah.
We don't do that. We set it up in a certain way so that all we have to do is a little tap and then it clicks.
Okay.
I've never had anybody not get up afterwards.
Okay,
Let's put it
good.
that way.
That's good
okay.
news. That's what I want to hear.
I'm just loosening up before the adjustment, okay?
Yeah,
just
you are.
clearing it out. Are you okay with that pressure?
Yeah.
That's a little deep.
Yeah, no, it's good.
You can always go lighter.
I feel like I need it. It just hurts.
Should be a good hurt. After this, you're going to feel like you want a nap. This is going to feel like you just ran a marathon afterwards. Yeah, that's what it feels like. The first time. It gets much easier every time you come in, okay?
Okay.
She's like, okay. Okay. That's why you're here.
Yep, that's why.
Good, excellent. There you go. Perfect. That's it. We're going real deep.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I'm gonna come back to that neck, okay?
Okay.
I got all the superficial stuff out though. All right, let's adjust it. Here comes the adjustment.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna be fine. Chin back for me.
What do you mean by that? Just like that.
Good. That was really good.
scared the shit out of me.
You are still here. Ready for the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's... Here we go. Perfect. How'd you do? There you go. Done with the neck.
Okay.
Watch this.
I don't know why I gasped.
It was loud. It was loud. Good.
I can be dramatic.
No, that's good. Feels excellent now, okay? Just let that drain. Yay! I'm just going to leave you here while I look at the feet, okay?
Okay.
Just kind of you're going to feel it warmth come in. All normal. It's going to get like a little hot and tingly. That's normal. Okay, and then it's going to drain, okay? And then you might feel it like get a little cold, but that's okay as well.
Okay.
Or you might not feel anything and it might just feel good.
Okay, I appreciate all the warnings though.
I'm giving you all these warnings like these. That's all normal if it happens, okay?
Yeah. No, because I would freak out otherwise.
All very common things that happen in here, especially if you haven't had it moved in a long time.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. This is where I'm going to check out those hip flexors. Okay, look up for me. Now, pull your knee to your chest. Any pain when I do that?
I do feel it a little bit in my lower back.
Lower back, okay. Right here on your hip, okay? Is that hurting your lower back?
No.
Is it a little relieving in your lower back? Or it's the same?
The same.
Okay. And how about here? Same thing other side?
Same thing.
Push up from knee towards your chest. Any pain there?
A little bit of lower back and then in my hip flexors.
Okay. I'm just gonna check for any clicking. And there's nothing. Does it hurt when you cough?
No.
Anything hurt when I do this?
Nope.
How about here?
No, I feel a little bit of tightness maybe in my lower back, but no pain.
I'm gonna pull you down the table, okay? Everything feels okay. The SI joints, which are these two joints right here,
Yeah.
when they're irritated, they give a radiating pain towards the front.
So even when I'm doing those ab exercises, do you think like my lower back is...
It could be. So I'm gonna rule that out.
Okay.
I could check like for any separation here. That's the only other thing. Like maybe from. So what you would do is just your chin. I'm gonna feel right here, just like right here. Chin to your chest. You have a mild separation here.
Yeah, it doesn't feel good when you do that.
You kind of feel that?
Mm-hmm. What would mine be from? The gym? Exercise?
Yes. Yes. You know, coughing or anything could just be like you could pop that right there. So be a little. That might be why you can't feel like you can engage it. For me to feel like I'm doing abs because I have that separation, it takes a lot. I have to almost have my arms up in the air.
Yeah.
Before I can even get anything.
Uh-huh.
So when you were saying, "Oh, I can do it like this," it kind of made me think that. Come on, just check the neck. Let's see how we did with the neck.
We're alive.
Okay. Go ahead and face down for me. Some more tests.
I love tests.
You're like, I think it's making sense now. Yes, and then your hands go right here. Right there. There you go. Just lift your legs straight up. Just straight
Which
up.
one?
Yes, this one. Good, and down. And then this one? Okay, good. Anything painful there when I did that?
No, maybe like a tiny bit under my glute, but not...
Nothing bad.
No.
Okay, now I'm going to press in a different region. You're going to do the same thing. And does that make it worse at all?
No.
And then other leg. Anything there?
No.
Good. And then if I push here and I want to reach the front of your hip here, okay? Does that make it feel better? Or no change?
No change.
Okay. Or worse, you just let me know. All right. So here we go with an adjustment again, okay?
Okay.
Now these are the most intense one up here. They get easier as we go down.
Okay.
Let's take a deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Just like that. Perfect.
Did you do okay?
Yeah, no, that was good.
Excellent. All right, take some breaths. We're going to do the rest of the spine here, okay? Deep breath in. Good. Now, did that hurt when I got down into here?
No.
No, good. And again, deep breath in. Okay, perfect. Doing great.
That was good.
Gonna pull. Be a little pinch here. See if I can't pull them the other way. Sorry. There we go. Done. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Take a deep breath in. And I'm gonna bounce. And again. Got a little bit of a scar here. Tiny.
A scar.
Yeah, a little bit of like a little scar, piece of scar tissue there. Little injury at some point. Right here.
Huh. I don't remember.
Oh, could have been like a bad cold or something.
Oh.
You coughed and it, popped out.
And it tore.
Yeah, right there. It's coming out though. And it's not lingering. It's willing to move out of the way. Let me check out this SI joint. Okay, do you mind if I just roll this down a little bit?
Nope.
Just to get to the SI joints here. So the sacrum is right here. Let's see what's going on here. Anything super tender, or is it all generally okay?
Nope, all good.
Okay. If I get to something, which it might happen, you let me know. That's the SI joint. That. Right SI joint, and here's the left one. Right there.
I feel more on the left.
Right here. Here we go. I'm going to pull this through, okay? It's doing all right?
Yeah.
It's intense. It can be, anyway. Okay, here we go. I've got it back in a corner over here on this side. I'm going to pull it up and through. Like right here. Always don't forget the side of the pelvis. Back to the SI joint again, okay? Right there, that's the SI joint.
I'm working the low back a little bit. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm gonna use my elbow here. Breathe. So when I was going like this.
Yeah, but it doesn't hurt anymore.
Okay. Sometimes nerves move out of the way.
Yeah.
You know, they just gotta find a new little home. It's okay.
I heard you about bulldozing, so it was like, I'll just move.
Oh, you're doing great, okay? Like, you really are doing really well.
Thank you.
Most people can't handle that glute like that. They're like, oh! Okay, this arm behind your back. And relax this. Good. More crunchies. Down and up. Good. Those are my shoulders cracking. Don't you worry. Good. Excellent. Okay. Take a deep breath in. We're gonna do some bouncing again, okay? Let it all the way out. And again, a little lower this time. Good. Okay. I have to do the glutes a little bit and investigate. Just let me know if anything's a little sore, okay?
Okay.
Feeling okay?
Yeah.
Like, oh. I know that feeling. I know that sound. I make it all the time when they work on me. Okay, so I'm gonna be right here, okay? Right in this joint. Ugh. I gotta go into the glute, all of this.
Yeah, that's the glute.
That's the sound I make when they work on me. Like, ooh. Get it. That's pretty much what I do. There we go. Oh, that feels great. Leg. Too much, you alright?
No, I'm good.
Okay. It's not bad though. Just a little bitty one. Just right on the outside of her leg here. Oh, that's my knuckle. Oh, it's all on the side here. Doing all right?
Yeah.
All right, there it goes. Get relaxed. Woo, take a break. Now we're gonna do the scraping, okay?
Okay.
That's what it feels like. There, looking much better. And then this arm across your chest for me, like just like that. Yeah, that's as I get in this corner. Get all of that. Make sure we get that clean. It's not very bad. Good. And then other arm across, same thing. Getting underneath your scapula. This is a place that, you know, people have a hard time getting there themselves. So I make sure I get that for you.
Thank you.
That's it. There we go. Looking good. Okay, a little tender here. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel that. Ooh. I got you. That's it. Cool. Good. Excellent. The lymph is mostly like right here. Feel it right there.
Yeah.
Like right in there. Everybody's got one. They're congested anyway. It's very common. Do you know how much I see like allergy medications on people's sheets? All the time, especially down here in Florida. Woo.
I used to get seasonal allergies really bad.
Me too. Me too. And then they just kind of stopped when I turned 30.
They actually say that the worst time for seasonal allergies is your early 20s. That's when it like peaks for people.
Oh, interesting.
And mine definitely did.
No, mine peaked I think in my teens. Like
Oh, really?
13 I was so miserable. March. Oh, there's somebody.
Yeah, I think like 3 years ago it was my worst.
Aw.
My worst. It was so bad.
Okay, you're all cleaned out back here. Perfect. Flip the hair over. We give you a beautiful
The volume.
So you can, it's feeling okay.
Yeah.
There's little ones here you can work on in here. So I come in here. You ever put your head against a wall and just push? Hey, you'd be surprised what I have to do to myself to get stuff to move. Oh, come on, Dragon, you're so violent.
I know, it did sound so violent.
Oh yeah, it looks violent, but it really isn't. It's just in order to get that leverage. This is all I'm doing. And then you can also come in here under the frontal these are called the maxillary sinuses, and I kind of feel them. I'm gonna put your head back on my chest, and then I'm gonna just push and shake. Take a breath. But see how I'm just kind of manipulating the fascia under here?
Yeah. Right there feels crazy.
It's a little congested on the sides. Yep.
I've seen you pop ears and I'm like, I try it myself. It doesn't work.
All right, so lean away. That's all it is. No, you must do a good job.
Maybe I do it.
Maybe you do. There's nothing on that side. Lean away. Lean away. Yeah. My ear. Did it hurt? You okay?
No, but I think I've been congested in that ear since the last time that I had a cold. And I feel like that just released it.
Here we go again. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Always do it again. I'm going to do a little different angle.
Okay.
That's it right there. Yeah, anytime you get congested.
No, I think I hear better.
Here we go. Yeah. You can move these in a J.
Is that your finger or my ear popping?
That's your ear. Feel that over here? It's going away. I'm getting out the crunchies over here on the left-hand side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah. Yeah, right here. She's just...
Oh my god.
Hold on, you're okay. You are okay. I promise I would never do anything to hurt you.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not. It's fun. Think about it from my point of view. Yeah, look at that. There it goes. Okay. It's a little catch in there. It gets stuck.
Oh my god.
So when you have like a cold and it backs up into your ears, it'll swell around the ear. It's super painful when it happens.
I'm still in shock from what just happened with my ears. That was crazy. No, that was crazy. The popping of this one and the release of that one, like that was crazy.
Good. All good things.
I'm a
You're
new
okay.
person.
You're okay.
Can't tell me nothing.
Now look back, like towards Linnea. Yeah, and then relax. Anything hurt when I do this? Especially here.
No.
Okay, here we go. Oh, they don't really... No, they don't really go. Feels
I
good.
probably cracked myself.
Yeah, I think it's...
A lot.
Like I already feel it kind of wobbling, and it's good.
Okay.
Other side.
What do you
So
mean
you're
other
gonna
side?
flip over.
Oh, flip.
Flip. I'm just holding you to the table. And then look back for me. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Anything hurt when I did
Cracked
that?
a little bit.
Okay. That's where I'm gonna go. Okay? Just that. Good. All right. It's like, yes, God. I have a feeling since you're saying congestion, I don't want to lay you back down, but I'm just gonna kind of like drain this. And do you think that would help?
Yeah.
Like the front here?
Yeah.
These are the glands right here.
Yeah.
There's some on the surface, but there's a lot underneath this thick muscle here, right in there. You're draining that down towards the big plexus right here. You know, is anything a little sore here? You got these here. All these in the face.
Yeah, more towards, actually on my way here, I was like, I have like a ball, like right here. And I was trying to like pull that down.
So this one you can actually drag from the jaw. Up, yeah, that little one there. So that one goes up and into the face. Up. Oh yeah, I feel that.
Disgusting.
Right there. It's not as bad over here. It's not disgusting, it's just the way our bodies are. There's a bunch of tubes.
Ew.
But she's like, oh, that's right, you didn't like anatomy. She's like, ugh,
Yeah,
anatomy.
that's the gross part. What do you mean?
Just a bunch of liquid-filled tubes. I think it's amazing. Yeah, it is a little. Any jaw soreness or anything over here?
Yeah, actually, I just got Botox in my master's a few months ago for the first time, and I have to go back because it was life-changing.
Okay. You were clenching?
I clenched so bad.
Oh. No, me too. 80 pounds of pressure in those poor TMJ right there.
Yeah.
Alright, let me make sure I get this side for you. All into here.
Do you feel like hands are better or a gua sha tool?
Depends on what depth you want. I can show you what I mean. Drain that. You know, the chest, just all in here. When you're sick or congested, big, big plexus in here.
Some ASMR for the people.
Yeah, that is one thing I could check. Is your lymph on your stomach? So like, here's the gua sha. If you look down, you'll see the petechiae there already coming out. Ew. Oh wait, shouldn't have told you. Everything. Ew. Ooh, get it. So that's how I would do it.
Okay.
Like that. Just kind of gently pull that down. It all depends. If you're doing for wrinkles, you go up.
Oh no.
It doesn't really matter. Well, you've got petechiae. It'll make it look like I gave you a hickey.
Find out.
Yeah, you have some major petechiae on the front of your neck.
What does that mean?
Congestion.
Oh,
Yeah, were you recently sick?
I don't think so.
She's like, no. I kind of have to get a little bit over you a little bit.
Okay.
Take it from the back. Pull. And then go down. Does it feel okay?
Yeah.
Pull all that lymph from the back, because the back drains into here. Oh. You're like, oh, okay. I know, it's like a weird thought. Wait, what? Yeah. Right in here. Yeah, they feel good though. Do you see what I'm saying? Everything feels fine.
Thank you.
Like there's no scar tissue here, there's no. I'm not feeling any intestinal problems. 'Cause I'm gonna go in the belly button. That one always feels funny.
Okay. Ew.
She's like, ooh. Feels much better. Okay, here we go. One more time. I'm gonna check the middle part again. Good job. And that was pretty deep there.
It got better towards the end, though, for sure.
I forgot to do the shoulders. One more. It's like just press back towards the wall. Perfect. And then elbow back. Good. Squeeze these. Okay, now come on up and see how you feel. Battered and bruised.
Oh, okay. I've seen people, they leave here, they look beat up. I don't look beat up.
Let me see. I didn't even think it was picture worthy. No, it was okay. Nah, just a little bit right here. You want me to take a picture? It's not bad though.
No.
What most of it is right here on your neck. Right.
Oh yeah, I can
these
see
two.
those a little bit.
Perfect. And then hands up and over or out to the side, either way. Let me get you off of it. I don't want you to do a sit up. Yes. That's how you get off.
I'm gonna do the around town.
Yeah.
That's.
Yeah. All right. How's it feeling?
Feel good.
Did I get it all? Yeah, like just kind of feel it.
Everything feels good.
Is there anything you want to test before I leave you here?
I don't think so.
Feels good. Okay.
Yeah.